In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a folder that's been shared with you in Google Drive. Maybe your shared with me section is getting cluttered, or you just don't need quick access to a particular shared folder anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through how to hide it from your view without affecting anyone else's access. First, open Google Drive. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website in your browser and signing in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that actually has the shared folder, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. Once you're in, you'll see the main Drive interface with a navigation panel on the left and your files and folders on the right. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click on Shared with Me. This section is where Google Drive collects items that other people have shared with you, including files, folders, and sometimes shortcuts. It's important to remember that items here don't necessarily live in your main My Drive. They're more like links or references to other people's content. That's why cleaning this area up can make things feel a lot more organized. After you've opened Shared with Me, locate the folder you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. If the list is long, sorting by shared date or name can help you track things down more easily. Take a moment to double check that it's really the folder you want to remove from view, especially if you have several folders with similar names. Once you've found the folder, move your mouse over it, then right-click on the folder. If you're on a trackpad, that might mean a two-finger click, or you can use the menu key on your keyboard if you prefer. A context menu will appear with several options related to that folder, such as opening it, previewing it, or adding a shortcut to your drive. From this menu, click on Remove. This is the key step. When you choose Remove for a shared folder, you're not deleting the folder for everyone. You're only removing your shortcut or access point to it from your own Drive interface. Think of it like taking a book off your personal shelf, but the book still exists in the library. After you click Remove, the folder will no longer appear in your Shared with Me section, and you won't see it in your main Drive view either. However, it's important to understand that the folder is still available to others who it was shared with, and the original owner still has it in their drive. You haven't deleted any actual content, you've simply cleaned up your personal workspace. If you ever need that folder again, you can ask the owner to share it with you once more, or find it through a direct link if you have one saved. This simple process is a great way to keep your Google Drive tidy and focused on the folders you actively use.